Hi, this is Drew. Welcome to Guangdong Youhui Technology Co. The company was founded in 2003. It is a professional infrared emitter supplier integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. This is the office building. The first floor is the workshop and office. And here is our workshop.
This is our warehouse and production workshop. The company park covers an area of about 24,000 square meters. Each of our products need to go through more than 10 processes from raw materials to finished products. The production personnel shall operate in strict accordance with the operation instructions, recheck the products of the previous process, and timely feedback the problems found so as to ensure that each process reach the standard, and the pass rate is within the controllable range. Finally, the finished products will be tested by lighting to check the defective products.
After 10 years of development, Youhui Optoelectronic has been a pioneer in this field. Let's go and see it.
We have a professional sales team with rich experience in foreign trade, 24 hours to provide you with efficient and accurate services.
The company's management team has nearly 30 years of experience in the optoelectronic industry and has hired American infrared heating technology experts as technical consultants.
The second floor is the meeting room.
This is our product wall. You can see all kinds of self-developed products. The main products are short wave, medium wave, long wave, single tube, double tube, and 3D contoured infrared emitters. Our products are sold all over the world, including United States, Britain, Russia, Japan, South Africa, etc.
All of our products have obtained CE, RoHS, ISO 9001, and more certifications. And also, we have more than 10 practical patent certifications and many appearance patent certificates. Work instructions have been prepared for each product to ensure product quality and greatly improve production efficiency. Control each process, strictly control the process standards, and produce each product well. Strict and precise execution of each process is the prerequisite to ensure product quality. In order to ensure the quality of products, we will do a lot of tests. Short-wave infrared heating lamp has a lightweight structure and it is easy to install. Fast temperature rise, full tower output within 1 to 2 seconds. Small thermal inertia, easy to accurately control temperature. Single-tube short-wave infrared lamp is applied to food preheating, drying, and bottle blowing machine thermoplastics. Twin-tube shortwave is applied to printing press industry, heating plastic film forming, etc. Medium-wave infrared is the wavelength range commonly used for drying water-based varnish coatings. Its penetration effect on the coating is much stronger than that of far infrared, providing users with the best infrared heating technology. Carbon infrared lamp is mainly composed of quartz tube and conductive carbon fiber heating wire. Carbon fiber is a common fibrous carbon material. It is a new type of material with higher strength than steel, lower density than aluminum, more corrosion resistance than stainless steel, higher temperature resistance than heat resistant steel, and conductivity like copper. It has many valuable electrical, thermal, and mechanical properties. 3D contoured infrared lamps are very suitable for welding plastic heating elements because of their high power density and target controllability. This ensures the heating process of the system. The non-contact temperature measurement by pyrometer and the radiator power control according to the target temperature ensure the optimized process flow. We can follow the corner and edge shape of the workpiece to make infrared radiator with special shape. These special shape radiators are particularly suitable for automatic industrial production equipment such as welding, bending, and heating plastic parts in plastic heating equipment.
IR.com, make global trade easier.